Great day, great day. Here we go. What you guys doing? You see that? I stopped on the 22-yard line just to say a prayer. It's good, right? See how fast you going. I'm here. He gonna give me one this week. I'm gonna love him for it too. I'm gonna give him a big hug after I get this pick. Whoever it is, they gonna get a big hug from me. I'm gonna see how many people I can get that I'm mic'd up. Hey, y'all can't blow my case now. Y'all gotta work with me.
Hey, I'm mic'd up, by the way, today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just wanted to let you know. The feds is on me. You see him?
What they do, fed?
JoJo, Natson.
Give all y'all LBs the heads up. I'm wearing a wire today.
Oh, man. Wearing a wire?
Yeah.
First 48, bro.
How you gonna say first 48 and I just gave you the heads up?
Hot mic, yeah. Oh, sweet. Let me see this side.
This side.
Have them make me a pair. This is a Cadillacs. These are Cadillac shoes. Who's Mike? Carp, you're mic'd up? I'm Mike.
Good day, bro.
The feds in town. The feds in town.
Oh, you Mike?
What up, Rook? What up, Rooks? We all Rooks. We in this thing together. What y'all boys just talking about that?
Crazy, bro.
So you gonna hit the wire?
I knew you was wild.
So you gonna hit the wire? You need to start doing. Bro, stop slapping the wire.
Oh, you mic'd up?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. On the hop, we should not be walking. Let's go, we're not walking. Don't be last, Rivers.
Kick right. Me and you. Hey, he going underneath. Hey, I'm telling you, bro. Underneath.
Here we go, ready. Let's be perfect now. Rip.
Hey, bite.
Rip. Drop right. Oh, good move.
They should put us on a dip. Boy, shut up, Bruce. You can't guard me no day. First down. Hey, move the chains.
This is kickoff return. Check the depth.
No. Communicate now. Go. Go. Yeah, I'll get one. Oh, I got him. I got the next one. My mistake. I learned from it. Hey, 11 hats to the ball, y'all. 11 hats.
Break the huddle.
Hey, call. Who got 80? Switch. Zone it. Switch.
Big neck roll. Big cat. Big angler. Big twister. Want some twists?
Go.
Hold up there, sir. Okay, we're good.
Face it.
Nice! Ooh. Up and dimes.